Okay, we're just using this the Green Guide Kingspan insulation. We're using this below DPC. We're using 60mm this, and I'm going to pop the DPC over it to just see how it works. This is the raft foundation here. I'm just going to pop a bit of silicone. Just going to stick this to the toe of the raft here. And there we go. Okay, there we go. Just going to pop a DPC over that on the ground levels. Okay, and there we have it. That's our DPC detail done on the ground. Okay, this is just the way that our traditional makeup on the houses that we're doing here. We found a 215 by 100 block on the outside, 9 inches up. Our DPC, this is our finished floor level here. This is our DPC at this point here. And also on the internally, the DPC 9 inches above. Finished floor level here, DPC. We also have a thermal block in here at this point for the cold bridge you come up to the raft. Our green coat here, as you seen earlier, is under the DPC here at this point, and it's meeting our K1 Wave Plus. The shiplap on the K1 Wave Plus just goes down nicely, as you can see there, past our green core, and it's slapping in there quite well. And this is the makeup for floor, what we're doing inside. We're putting in 2 layers, a 60mm and a 80mm, followed by an 85mm screed, which is going to bring us up level with the top of our thermal block. And that's our makeup there for our DPCs and our insulation and our thermal blocks there for at ground floor level. So we're just going to pop in our return detail here at a door or a window. This is the door we're doing here at the minute. I'll start off there by popping in a 9-inch DPC. Just down here as such. Some people use a 6-inch DPC, we prefer to use a 9. It gives it a little bit extra here at the door. Okay, if you remember, we have our green guide here, just sitting right underneath us here, nice and solid, nice and firm, and it's going to be perfect here for us to start our return block at this point. So I'm going to use 80mm K8 is what we're popping in here to close off the ravine, just like that. It's down there, nice for us. A little bit of work on top of our green guide. I'm going to pop in our return brick as normal. The return brick now, if you can see, is sitting on top of our DPC and also on top, more importantly, on top of our green guide, which makes it nice and solid, nicely firm here at this point. And we're going to pop in our return block in on top of it. Setting this up here now. That's our return like this. And we're also going to pop in the piece of insulation. You're going to see now how the two of them are going to meet together. Piece of insulation down here, nice and tight. And again, this is on top for a grain guard here. And you can see the junction between our 80mm and our 130mm, the K8 Plus, how they're nice and tight there together. Insulation is meeting, they're crossing over by 45mm, which is just perfect. You can see here on this side, as that's the way we have it is, as it's all brought up, a good detail, and our window frame is going to come back here to cover all that up.